Alright, welcome back. So how to actually fill up column P, R and S. Okay, you have to listen very carefully now. Guys, column P, we want to find the contribution margin category. We want to see contribution margin category. We will indicate the category as low and high. So low we will indicate by alphabet L. If it is high, we will indicate by alphabet H. So see, how to know L or H for CM category, guys? What is CM category? Contribution margin category. Contribution margin category means profit category. Profit category means low or high profit, low or high in profit. So where do you get the information, guys? This is average contribution margin. This is average, means this is the minimum to be average. So you must compare this O with column F. Okay, remember P, in order to calculate P, or in order to fill up P, you have to compare F and O. F and O. Guys, this is average to be profitable. If it is lower than 11.62, I give you one example, 9.8. 9.8 is the contribution margin for CS. CS contribution margin is 9.8. Average, in order to be profitable, it must contribute average contribution margin of 11.62. Must at least 11.62. So if it is below, okay, now listen, if F is lower than O, if the number you find here lower than O, the category is L, low profitability, low profit. If column F is higher than O, see 13.6 compared to 11.62, it is higher than O, so you remark as H. That is how we fill up column P. I'm sorry. And then column R. How to calculate column R, or how to fill up column R? You want to see menu mix category. Menu mix category. So you want to know, guys, what is menu mix? Popularity. Just now we said menu mix is whether it is popular or not based on percentage. So if it is popular, it must be higher than average popularity. See, average popularity is 14%. In order to be popular, minimum it must be sold at 14% in quantity. So you will compare column Q and also column B. Remember, in order to fill up column R, you will compare B to Q. If I'm sorry, not B to Q, but C to Q. C to Q. Okay, guys, if C is higher than Q, we will remark as high in popularity. If C is lower than Q, then we will remark as low popularity or low menu mix category. So 12.52% is lower than 14%. We remark here low profitability. Sorry, not low profitability, low popularity. This one is profitability, this one is popularity. Okay, understand, guys? As you can see from here, if I compare 22.61, I compare to column Q, which is 14%, this one is higher, I will remark as high popularity. That is how we do column R. We will compare box Q and column C. If it is higher than average, then we remark as H. Guys, now what is column S? What is column S? Column S is actually classification of item. If item is low in contribution margin and low in menu mix, the class is doc. If the item is high in contribution margin and high in menu mix, we call it star item. If the item is low in contribution margin, however high in menu mix, then we will call it plow horse. Plow horse. Okay, and there will be another category which is, it is not in this exercise, but if you find this here is H, high in contribution margin. If you get here high in contribution margin, however low in menu mix, the category is we call it star, dog, plow horse, and also what is another one? Let me check. Puzzle. Another category is puzzle. So puzzle, if it is high in contribution margin and low in popularity. I just repeat, if the item something wrong with this slide, I'm sorry guys. If the item is low in contribution margin and low in popularity, we call this item as dog. Let me change first. Okay. All right. If the item is low in contribution margin and low in popularity, then we call it dog. If the item is high in both category, popularity and contribution margin, we call it star. If the item is very popular but not really good in profitable margin or contribution margin, we call it plow horse. Why we call it plow horse? Guys, usually horse is very popular. I tell you, horse is very popular. However, horse is not really for plowing. You know what is plowing? Plowing the land for agriculture. It is not the horse job, right? That one is either buffalo or maybe cow's job, but not horse. So plow horse is what? Horses are very popular, but when you use horse for plowing the land, it will not give you enough profit. Then another one is puzzle. Puzzle means it is high in contribution margin. It gives you a lot of profit, but it is not really popular. So it becomes puzzle whether we will remain the item on the menu or we will remove from the menu. All right, and that is how we calculate or how we actually fill up S. How we fill up column S, guys. That is how we do the menu engineering calculation. So in the exam, actually you need to actually be able to fill up this worksheet. You need to be able to fill up this worksheet. Yes, we can say that it is very long formula calculation, but still it is an important topic, especially for you managers. Guys, next, whatever I said to you just now, all the formula is here. All the formula is here actually, right? You can always refer here. Here is another formula for each column. This one also for P, Q and S, P, Q, R and S. This is actually the category of items. Guys, I see you in the last video after this.